Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A16, and today I will show you how we can wipe cache partition on this phone. So before we get started, you'll need to grab a cable that you can plug into your computer and then simply connect it to your device. Any kind of allow access to whatever you can ignore, it doesn't really matter. Next, we're going to turn off our phone, so swipe down twice from the top of the screen, select the power button and choose Restart. When the Samsung logo disappears, hold the power button and volume up at the same time. And in a moment when you see the Samsung logo appear, wait for the Galaxy to appear under there and then let go of the power button. In a moment we will be taken to the recovery mode. Once you see this mode, you can let go of the volume up as well. And then using either volume up or down to navigate up or down, you want to select Wipe Cache Partition, confirm it using your power button, select Yes. At the bottom you will see data or cache wipe complete, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so press the power button once more to initiate the reboot, so it can get you back to Android. And while that's happening, you can also unplug the cable, as it was only needed to actually boot us into the recovery mode. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.